We can't have peace without feminism, because feminism is the comprehensive approach that assures a peace to be sustainable. A conflict analysis, peace negotiations, peace treaties, mechanisms to supervise and implement peace need to take into account the needs and aspirations of half of the population. Throughout history, we have seen a lot of peace agreements where women's needs, women as actors, women as victims of a conflict has not been taken into account. And there are research on this that shows that peace agreements, peace treaties where women have been active part are more sustainable than other peace treaties.